Are you looking to get in army shape? You want a workout that is twice as effective with half the time, that is strictly made for burning body fat, getting you stronger. It's not only gonna test you mentally, but physically as well. Welcome back everybody to another Army Boot Camp workout. This time we have a workout called Beat Feet Bodyweight Sprint Challenge. What we're going to do is we're going to really tax the leg muscles in this workout. Let's go over the workout details right now. So as you can see, we're going to be doing sprint work. So we're going to run at 80%, 25 meters up, 25 meters back. As soon as we get back to the starting point, we're going to lunge jump. Then we're going to side shuffle, 25 up, 25 back. We're going to squat jump, 10 reps. Then we're gonna run up and back one more time. That will complete your set. We wanna repeat this workout 3 times, but between each time we do this, we wanna rest 3 minutes so we can allow that glycogen to get back. Going over what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your feet, a timer, and a rock. If you don't have a rock, it's okay, we can figure it out. We can use our hat or we can use some gloves as a landing mark. Prepping for this workout, we wanna make sure we're taking 3 feet steps. So if I look like I'm walking a little funny, it's not because I have to poop or fart, I promise. Or maybe, who knows. But you wanna get at least 3 feet between each step. That will equal just about a meter, right? So we wanna take 25 large steps, being 3 feet each. Once we get to that 25 meter mark, 25 step mark, we want to make a mark with the rock, or you could put a hat down or a glove down or a stick, it doesn't matter, as long as we're getting 25 meters. And sometimes I'll give an extra 2 or 3 steps, just, so in case my steps weren't exactly 3 feet, we're getting those 25 meters in, so we know we have the distance. So now let's talk a little bit about this workout and why it is so good and why it was created. It was created to mimic the sprint drag carry with no equipment. So you could do this anytime, anywhere, with yourself or with a big group of people. We want to truly burn glycogen in our legs. We want our legs to get that numb feeling. I don't know if you did the sprint drag carry yet, but that numb feeling where your legs are pumped full of blood, and it is difficult, it is very challenging to run straight, period. So this is what we want to mimic, but not to the full extent of the sprint drag carry, but something we can do on a weekly basis to get our legs ready. So we're gonna be sprinting up and back, right? About 80%, or if you're just starting out, go a little slower. If you're more advanced, go as fast as you can. We want to lunge jump. Now look at the lunge, how I'm going down real slow, real slow, and I'm lightly tapping the dirt because we do not want to hurt our knees. My front knee is behind my front toes in the front, right? That means I have no pressure in my knees in the front, and I'm not banging my knee on the bottom. Then we want to shuffle. When we're shuffling, this is what making us an athlete now, is that we have to hit all sides of the muscles here. We're getting front and back, we're getting left and right, we're getting inside, outside. So the shuffle is part of getting that full rounded leg workout, right? Now I'm gonna squat, I'm gonna land softly, I'm gonna go down to parallel to the floor of my butt, keeping my chest up. I'm gonna land nice and soft. What we're doing, like I said before, is burning that glycogen, getting those muscle fibers filled with blood, and then we're gonna sprint up. And your legs are gonna feel a little funny, and that means you're doing it right. So just be careful when you're running, just focus on your form, sprint all the way back. And now you have 1 set complete. Do not forget, there's more to come. We wanna make sure we're getting 3 sets. Between each of these sets, we wanna rest 3 minutes. This 3-minute rest is crucial, all right? This is the time period it takes for our body to get into about 90% recovery, okay? That allows our glycogen levels to restore, our ATP levels, creatine phosphate levels to restore to about 90%, which will allow us to perform our best at the next set. Now don't think I forgot about any of you beginners, because we all are beginners at one point, right? So when you're doing this workout for the first time or you're just starting to work out, your workout is exactly the same, but we will not be doing plyometrics. We're just not ready for that. We are focusing on good form and just regular reps of the lunges and regular reps with the squats. So just do 10 of each with control. And remember, you want to run at about 80% of your max capability. If you enjoy these workouts, I highly recommend you get the 60-day Army Boot Camp workout fitness plan. It's a step-by-step instruction on getting you off the couch to the advanced level.